Yeah, Touch Up TV. Let's see what's going on. We're on Kings Highway and Avenue D. Police right now is ordering. We there trying to touch up with the scenes what's going on right now. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, Touch Up fans. Well, let's see. Kings Highway is one of the most dangerous spots in Brooklyn here. You know? We don't know what really happened, but we're on the scenes right now. Police on scenes, fire on scenes. We on scenes right here right now.
Fast response on scenes.
Fast response. Because I driving coming down Kings Highway and all I hearing is whoop, 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 whoop.
I was home when I heard it and I
was home?
Yeah, I was home.
Nobody know what happened or somebody run light or what's going on?
Well, I ain't too sure.
Alright, YouTube, that is it. Peace.